Hi everyone! So I want to do a little video of me unboxing this brand new style by René of Paris from the Muse collection called Dazzling Wavez, and it's in the color Melted Marshmallow. I'm so excited. When I saw that they're coming out with these styles, I was like, I need to have it. So that's what it looks like. So the melted marshmallow is just like a really lovely umber color. So you go from a dark brown down to like really like light blonde. Beautiful color. So let's have a look. First of all, look at these waves. Aren't they pretty? It's like barely there waves, which I love. And then let's look at the cap construction. Oh, we have an extended lace front, and we have a left mono part, and that goes all the way back to the crown. Open wefts, sides and back, velvet nape, which is extended, and a bra strap like adjusters. Let's pop this on. Let me just quickly rake my hands through it. Really soft fibers. These are heat-friendly fibers. I want to show you this color again. Look how pretty. Gorgeous color. Maybe shake it a little bit. And then let me put it on. Oh wow. So this is straight out of the box. Let me just run my fingers through it just a little bit. Do my 4-finger rule. Come down a little bit. If you like low density wigs, this is it. I cannot feel any permatease up here. There's a little bit down where the wefted cap is here at the sides, but it's not bulky, it's not poofy, it's not, I mean, look at it. Isn't it pretty? So natural. I love these barely there waves. And this is straight out of the box, as you see. So there's this contour here already. Which is just amazing. And then let's look at the part. Let's see if I can show you. So I think that looks pretty good. That probably needs a little bit of work. Let's get the zigzag parting out proper. We'll do that later. And this feels really light. Little bit of hair or fibers coming out, which is not unexpected. Oh, I love this. Let's look at the lace front. That's done really nicely. So you have lighter pieces here at the front. Transition into the ear tabs is done really well. Oh gosh, they knocked it out of the park with this one. Really light. So tell me what you think of Dazzling Wavez. Don't forget it is available from Adrian's Trendco, and you get 20% off with my code K20. Bye!